Hey traders! Doge is down 5% this week and currently trading around $0.083. So, is this the beginning of the next bullish move or just another trap? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Member-requested chart analysis is now available on our Patreon page. Send me a DM and check the link in the description and bio. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This is not financial advice. Now, let's start the analysis.
Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone